Today, I'm going to be telling you the 5 things you need to know and do in your makeup artistry so that you can work quicker on your clients as a makeup artist. Hiya guys, welcome to the Adobe Beauty channel. My name is Adobe and I'm a bridal makeup artist, wig maker and educator, and I share tips and tutorials that help makeup artists book more clients and become more confident in their artistry. So if you're interested in elevating your makeup artistry, be sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave me a comment below telling me what topics on makeup artistry you would like me to discuss next. If you're new to me, I've been a working makeup artist for 11 years now. And I know a thing or five about getting my clients in and out of my chair as beautifully and quickly as possible. So today, I'll be giving you 5 tips that you need to apply in your makeup artistry so that you can work quicker and more efficiently on your clients. Now, let's get into it. The first tip is to make sure that your makeup kit is clean and organized. So before heading out to any makeup job, you must make sure that your makeup kit is cleaned out, disinfected, sanitized, and then organized. I believe that after every client that you have and before getting to your next client, your makeup kit needs to be cleaned out, disinfected, and reorganized for the next client. As makeup artists, when we are working on our clients, our workspace tends to get disorganized as we work. We're always reaching for and picking makeup tools and makeup products that we need to get the job done on our clients. And this can cause some disorganization because as we pick these products and tools up and use them, we are most likely going to put them back wherever we can find. And that's not necessarily where they should be. I mean, we've all had those times when in the middle of doing a client's makeup, you just start looking for a makeup brush or a makeup product that you need where you think it should be. You just keep looking. You're just like, this brush or this eyebrow pencil is supposed to be here. Like, where the hell is it? Only for you to find it in your hands or somewhere random, like just in front of you. So cleaning out your makeup kit and organizing all your makeup products and makeup tools really helps you to work faster on clients, because at this point, everything is where it's supposed to be. So it's easier to find and grab whatever you need to use on your clients. So being organized helps you work quicker on your clients. Another tip to work more efficiently and quickly as a makeup artist is, before packing your kit and heading out for a job, find out what skin complexions you will be working on. So you can get this information beforehand from your clients. So this will help you know beforehand what shades of complexion products, your foundations, your concealers, and so on to pack for the job. Instead of packing up all the 50 shades of foundation that you may have in your makeup kit as a makeup artist, you instead narrow down what you pack to shades that will match the clientele at this particular job that you're heading out for. Okay, say for example, you're a bridal makeup artist and you get a booking to serve a bridal party that is comprised of mainly dark skin tones. You would focus on packing up complexion products that are around medium to deep tones for this bridal party or for this clientele. But on the other hand, if you inquire and realize that the wedding party is going to be more diverse, say maybe the bride is dark but marrying a Caucasian groom, then you would know that that bridal party would have a more diverse complexion range, and in that case it will be best to pack up a more diverse complexion shade range for your makeup kit. The next step would be to build a functional makeup kit. This is the first and a very important step to working quickly and efficiently as a makeup artist. In fact, this is the first thing that you should do as a makeup artist if you want to be able to work smoothly, quickly, and efficiently on your clients. Building a functional makeup kit takes away a lot of weight, literal weight by the way, and stress from your makeup artistry. Now you may be asking, what is a functional makeup artist kit? Well, a functional makeup artist kit is a makeup kit that has been put together in a way that your products, your makeup tools are easily accessible, they are multifunctional, and they work on a diverse range of clients so that as a makeup artist, you can work smarter and quicker instead of harder and longer, because who doesn't want that? If you'd like some step-by-step tips on how to build a functional makeup kit that will help you work on your clients quicker and more effectively, I have a video where I share everything that you need to know about building your pro makeup kit. I'm going to be linking that video somewhere on the screen for you, so feel free to also check that video out. And if you need some help with building your beginner-friendly and affordable makeup kit, I have a free guide where I show you the exact makeup products and makeup tools to add to your pro makeup kit. Yep, I actually built your makeup artist kit for you so that you don't have to stress or waste a lot of money on tons of unnecessary things that you don't even need in your makeup artist kit. I'll be linking the free guide in the description box below, so click the link in the description box below to grab yours. So this is a huge mistake that I see a lot of makeup artists make. They start building their kit based off of what they think makeup artists should have in their makeup kit, or based off of random referrals or even makeup trends. Makeup doesn't come cheap, so taking this route when building your kit will only lead to you wasting a lot of money and a lot of makeup products and tools that you don't even need. And this was exactly my experience and my mistake when I started building my pro makeup kit. And I realized that after I had spent so much money on buying all these makeup products and makeup tools that I thought that I needed in my makeup artist kit, when it was actually time to work on my clients, I didn't have most of the essential makeup products and makeup tools that I actually needed to get the work done on my clients at the time. And what this did was, it made me start afresh to actually build another pro makeup kit that actually worked and could help me create beautiful looks on my clients. I mean, which of course cost me more money than necessary, all because I didn't get it right the first time. So please save yourself a lot of money, a lot of stress, a lot of time by grabbing the free makeup kit building guide for makeup artists, and is linked in the description box below. Another tip to help you work quickly and efficiently as a makeup artist is to set up your workspace in a manner that helps you work effectively. We've all seen these videos on social media where makeup artists have 10 eyeshadow palettes, 20 foundation shades with another 20 concealer shades, and maybe a gazillion number of makeup brushes all openly displayed on their workspace. I mean, that display may look pretty on video and on social media, but it's not very practical, especially if you're looking to work efficiently and quickly. There is really no need to display or clutter up your workspace with 20 concealer and foundation shades if you will not be using all those shades on the client who is sitting in your chair at the time. And if you build your kit correctly, one eyeshadow palette should be more than enough to serve your clients, irrespective of their skin tones and complexion. So when setting up your workspace, only put out just how much makeup products and makeup tools you need to work on the client who's sitting in your chair. For example, choose just the foundation and concealer shades that you'll be needing for the client who's sitting in your chair. Choose just the face, eye, and lip brushes you'll be needing to complete the makeup look. I also have another video where I show you the must-have makeup brushes for every makeup artist. I'll also link that video in the description box below, so please check that out too. The next tip to help you work quickly and efficiently as a makeup artist is talk less when you're working with clients. Was that a sub meant for me? This is advice that I should apply myself. I feel like I'm talking to me right now. I know that as makeup artists, we like to make our clients feel comfortable. And for some of us, that means chit-chatting and kicking with our clients. But most times, what we don't realize is that all that talking is costing us time, You laugh, you stop for a bit, sometimes you stop to gesture, These are little seconds that accumulate into minutes and minutes that accumulate into hours. Then before you know it, you're an hour and a half into doing your client's makeup and you're looking at her like, what have I been doing all this time? Because you're nowhere done with the look. So when you feel like you need to concentrate and work quicker on your client, but the chit-chatting is slowing you down, you can politely tell your client something along the lines of, I'm really enjoying getting to know you, but in order to get you ready quickly and give you a beautiful look, I'll have to work more quickly. And to be honest, for the most part, as long as you're polite and kind with your words, your clients will be more than happy to let you work as quickly as possible without disrupting your process. And that way, you can work more efficiently. But here's a quick tip. Just make sure you have some music on so that the working environment is not dull, awkward, or boring. And there you have it, guys. 5 tips to help you work quicker and efficiently as a makeup artist. I hope this video has given you some clarity on some things that you should start doing and also some things to change up or even stop doing in your makeup artistry so that you can have your clients in and out of your chair in less time and looking fabulous. So don't forget to grab your free makeup kit building guide in the description box below. Feel free to share this video with any makeup artist or aspiring makeup artist that you know, and let's keep this conversation going in the comments section below. Are there any tips in this video you will be applying? Or do you have any tips on working quicker as a makeup artist? I'd love to hear from you. Leave your comments below and I'll see you soon. Bye.